Hi, this is Artin Behdad, and in this presentation I'm gonna talk about one of the most important forex news that causes high impact on US dollars and those pairs that include USD, like Euro USD, JBP USD, or USD JPY. This news is very important because if even you are a long-term trader, for example, you trade H4 or daily chart, you should be careful about this news because it can make some bad impact on your trading result. So please pay attention and try to not open new position when there is only one day to releasing FOMC. Why? Because this news has power to bring the charts back and hits your stop loss. Okay? So I personally never trade if there is only one day to FOMC. And I will tell you how to find when FOMC will release. Go to Google, write FOMC meeting schedule. It is here. And click on this website. In this website, you can see the date of FOMC in 2018. You can mark in your calendar, I personally do this, the date of FOMC. And whenever there is only one day to these dates, I don't open new position. It's okay to have open position that you, for example, have it for a couple of days. But you shouldn't open new position. Okay? That's it. If you have any question, please write it down in the comment box.